Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add Facebook Pixel to Elementor. Let's begin. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Elementor, just click on the Create an Account option. And from here, you can continue with your Google account, you can continue with Facebook, your Apple, or you can use your business or working email. And by following the on-screen instructions, you are all set. Now, adding Facebook Pixel to Elementor, basically it's a popular WordPress page builder. It offers several advantages for businesses. Because number one, Facebook Pixel allows you to track visitors' actions on your website, such as page views, purchases, and signups. By integrating it with Elementor, you can gather valuable data about your audience's behavior, interest, and add demographics based on your highly created targeted Facebook ads that reach the right audience. Now, from here on Elementor, as you can see, you have an option to open it on the WordPress dashboard because these two are well integrated and you can have a seamless switch between the two. Now click on the Open WP dashboard. And from here, as you can see, we have just go to the plugin section and click on the search bar. All right, now we need to search for a specific plugin called Pixel Cat. Just type it and press enter. As you can see, this one is the Facebook Pixel Management made easy. Click on it because from here you would have an option to run better Facebook ad campaigns. You can track Facebook conversions. You can build powerful retargeting audiences and conversions API. And all they're gonna do is just click on the option for upgrade or activate, or if you already have a pro account or another subscription account, all they have to do is just click on install and activate and follow the on-screen instructions. You can also go to the plugin section on the WordPress. And again, all you're gonna do is type on Pixel Cat. It's the same process. Just click on enter. And from here, as you can see, there's a lot that you can use, but basically we're searching for the Facebook Pixel Management made easy. Again, click on that. And from here, these are the details because Facebook Pixel for WordPress made easy, so that you can have a Facebook retargeting to conversion tracking. It's a free plugin, and these are the reviews that could help you make an informed decision, and the minimum required installation guidelines that I'd like you to check, and the active community of the contributors and developers. And once you're happy with that, all you're gonna do is click on download and you're good to go. Now make sure you have your account ready for Facebook Pixel so that you can have a cross-device tracking capabilities, allowing you to understand how users interact with your website across different devices such as desktop, mobile, tablet, because this insight enables you to deliver a consistent and personalized user experience across devices. All right, and I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.